Let's crush an instant nerdle. Instant nerdle is just a scrambled up math equation that you got to unscramble. So the 7 is in the right place because it's green, and everything else is in the wrong place, and I just have to make an equation work. So the equal sign can go in one of two places, I think. I think division is absolutely going to go here. So we're either going to have a triple digit divided by a single digit number or a triple digit number divided by a double digit number, and then the equal sign is going to go here. I'm going to start off with this format. It doesn't really matter, but I'm going to go here first, and then I'm going to mess around with this ones digit number in the answer and multiply it by 7, and that should tell me about the ones digit here. So with division, you can do it in reverse and do multiplication. Mathematically, that's how that works out. So I'm just going to systematically try different numbers in this ones place. So if I put a 4 here, 4 times 7 is 28. So this number would have to end in an 8 in order for this equation to work out. So I know that this would work, and now I can think about trying something in the tens digits and see if I can make something actually work. So if I try, I'll just go left to right. If I try 2 here, 24 times 7 would be in the 100s. We don't have a 1, so that's not going to work. 9, 7 times 9 is in the 70 times, or 90 times 7 is in the 600s, so this actually looks like it might work. 6, no, because then the 2 would have to go here, and the 2 can't go there, and so 94 times 7 would be 658, so that doesn't work. Almost dud. That was very close to working. Almost dud. It was between does and did. Screwing up my tenses. Okay, so 9 doesn't work there. 2 doesn't work there. 8 I've used. 6 doesn't work there. Okay, so this format just doesn't work out. The equal sign can't go here. None of those numbers work in those places. So now I know that the equal sign has to go here because I tried everything else. Again, I'm gonna screw around with the ones digits numbers, or the ones digits numbers. Well, okay. So if I put a 4 here, then 4 times 70 something is going to be 280, maybe in the 300s, but so it would have to be a 2 here. I guess I'm going to continue doing the ones digits thing. All right. I was starting to think about the hundreds, but all right. So 4 times, if I put a 2 here, this would be an 8. But 4 times 70 is this would be 288. So that doesn't work. So I tried a 4 with a 2. How about a 4 with a 9? If I put a 9 here, this would be a 6 because 4 times 9 is 36. So 4 times 80 is 320 minus 4 is, yeah, that would be 4. That would be 316. That doesn't work. So I tried a 9 here. Can't put an 8 here. If I put a 6 here, it ends in 4, so that doesn't work. All right, 4 doesn't work there. If I try to put a 2 here, if I put a 4 here, this isn't going to be big enough. Yeah, it's like easier for me to think about it with this structure, just multiplying this. So I can immediately see if a number works here. Yeah, so I think it's more efficient for me to think about immediately multiplying whatever this number is times 70. So if I try to put a 2 here, 2 times 70 is 140. I know 1 can't go here, so that just doesn't work. All right, so I'm going to try a 9 here. 9 times 70 is in the 600s, so that would work. I'm going to try a 6 there. What numbers could we put here? 9 times 4 would end in a 6, so that doesn't work because I already used the 6. 9 times 2 ends in an 8. That would be, yeah, 648. 648 divided by 7 2 is 9. There it is, dude. There's an instant nerdle for you. Thanks for watching. Catch you later.